Good afternoon, students. Today we are studying about the multiplication of two complex number. How two complex number can be multiplied. In this topic, we can see if we have a complex number z1 is equal to x1 plus iota y1, and another complex number is z2 is equal to x2 plus iota y2 are two complex numbers. Then their product which is denoted as z1 and z2 is defined as, how we can define the products? z1 into z2 is equal to x1 into x2 minus y1 into y2 plus iota x1 into y1 plus y1 into x2. This is a rule for getting the multiplication of two complex number. So जब हमारे पास दो complex number हैं z1 and z2, तो x1 और x2 क्या है, इनमें रियल पार्ट्स हैं, और y1 और y2 इसके क्या हैं, इमेजनरी पार्ट्स हैं. तो इनकी मल्टीप्लिकेशन को हम कैसे डिफाइन करते हैं? दोनों की मल्टीप्लिकेशन z1 z2 को जब मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमारे पास आता है x1 इंटू x2 माइनस y1 इंटू y2 प्लस आयोटा x1 इंटू y1 प्लस y1 इंटू x2. In other words, we can multiply this complex number in this form also. Firstly, we are writing the value of z1. z1 is x1 plus y1, or z2 is x2 plus iota y2. So when firstly we are multiplying x1 with the whole terms, so x1 will be multiplied with x2 plus iota y2 plus what is remaining, iota y1. So iota y1 is there, and we are multiplying with same x2 plus iota y2. So what will you get? We will get x1 firstly multiply with x2, it becomes x1 and x2 plus, then iota is as it is, x1 is multiplied with y2, x1 into y2, then second terms iota y1 will be multiplied with x2 plus iota will be multiplied with iota, it becomes iota square. जब iota को iota से multiply किया तो iota square बन जाएगा. y1 को किया multiply y2 से, तो ये बन गया y1 into y2. So this expression is coming to us. Then x1 into x2 plus iota, the terms x1 y2 or iota y1 x2, we are substituting the value of iota square. Iota square is minus 1. We are substituting this y1 into y2 because iota square is minus 1. इस वैल्यू को हमने यहाँ पुट कर दिया तो ये नेगेटिव हो गई. तो इट बिकम्स x1 x2 प्लस iota x1 y2 प्लस iota y1 x2, then minus of y1 into y2. If we are seeing here the four terms are present and the two terms are without iota and two are containing iota. So we are taking the common terms which are without iota. So there are two terms x1 and x2 minus y1 and y2. These are the two terms which are without iota, and these are calling as real parts, the product of real parts. Then what is iota sign is common from the another two terms, so we are taking iota is common and it becomes x2 y2 plus y1 x2. These terms will be coming to us. So that is the product of two complex number which we have already written here. So in this way we can multiply the two complex number. For example, we have a complex number 2 plus 3 iota, another is 5 plus 7 iota. So we are multiplying these two complex numbers. So firstly we are writing 2 is multiplied with whole terms 5 plus 7 iota, then remaining is plus 3 iota. This is also multiplied with 5 plus 7 iota. So what the terms coming? 2 5 the 10, 10 plus 7 to the 14, 14 iota, 5 3 the 15, 15 iota, 3 iota will be multiplied with 7 iota, 3 7 the 21, iota will be multiplied with iota, it becomes iota square, and it is 10 plus 14 iota plus 15 iota, and we are substituting iota square. Iota square is already equal to minus 1, so this is plus 21 into minus of 1. So this is the term 10 minus of 21. The terms which are without iota is combining it, and the term which is containing iota, that is also taking separately. 14 plus 15. So this is 10 minus 21, it is minus of 11 plus iota 14 plus 15, it becomes 29. So our answer is minus 11 plus 29 iota. So this is the product of two complex number, how we can multiply the two complex number with each others. Sometimes another type of question is given to you, like related to the product of two complex numbers. So for example, we have 2 plus under root 3 iota whole square. So in this question you can multiply the these complex number in two different ways. Firstly we can write it in this form: 2 plus under root 3 iota, again 2 plus under root 3 iota, because the square is here. So we will get 2 to the 2 is multiplied with first 2 plus under root 3 iota, then under root 3 iota is remaining. This is also multiplied with 2 plus under root 3 iota, it becomes 2 to the 4 plus 2 under root 3 iota. These two can't be multiplied inside because it's already out of the square root. So this is lying here, 2 under root 3 iota. Similarly here, when this is multiplied, this is also lying outside, 2 under root 3 iota. Then under root 3 is multiplying, iota is also multiplying with an iota, so it becomes under root 3 iota will be multiplying, it becomes iota square. So here is 4 plus, how will you edit these two complex numbers? Both are containing under root 3, so under root 3 or as well as iota. So under root 3 or iota is taking common, outside terms are adding 2 plus 2, then plus under root 3 multiplied, it becomes 3 according to square root rule, and iota square is minus 1. So what will you get? 4 plus 2 plus 2, 4. This is 4 under root 3 iota, and this is minus of 3. This is positive 4, this is negative of 3, and it becomes 1. 1 plus 4 under root 3 iota. So that's the answer for that type of question. How we will multiply the square root terms or with a square power also. So this is a one way to calculate this type of problems, by multiplying the given numbers 2 times, or in other way we can also use the formula of identity, a plus b whole square identity. So when we are using the formula, it becomes 2 plus under root 3 iota whole square. So this is according to rule. Formula says a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So that formula we can implement here. So it becomes 2 square plus 2, a term is 2 and b is under root 3 iota, plus another is b terms under root 3 iota whole square. So what the term is coming? 2 to the 4 and again 2 to 4 under root 3 iota plus under root 3 can be multiplied 2 times, it becomes 3 iota square, then 4 plus 4 under root 3 iota, and this is plus iota square is minus 1, so 4 minus 3 plus 4 under root 3 iota, this is subtracting it 1 plus 4 under root 3 iota. So in both ways we are getting the same answer, 1 plus 4 under root 3 iota. So similarly we have already done by using the multiplication rule also. So in both cases we are getting the same answers. So that's the way to multiply the two complex numbers. So in this way you can also try these rules of multiplications.